is the cost of printing with a small UV printer high. The first aspect is efficiency cost, including production speed, consumables, and other costs. Calculate the total consumption of consumable from the printed product. If calculated based on 1 square meter, including raw materials and other costs, the total cost will not exceed 2 yuan. The second aspect, labor cost. Usually, enterprise personnel overhead costs account for 1/3 or more of the enterprise total cost. How to reduce personnel expense and reduce costs while ensure efficiencies. Small UV printer eliminates traditional plate making, field, overprinting, breaking, and other inks. Overall, the original printing staff can be reduced to a quarter. The third aspect, added value cost. The market accepts new printing needs such as personalization, customization, 3D, and relief. Traditional printing equipment can no longer meet consumers' needs. At the same printing cost, the increase in added value will help companies earn more profit.